I'm going to take you through some numbers here. India has now registered its biggest single-day COVID spike with 2,95,041 cases. The daily new cases in the last 5 states. Let me take you through the 5 states just the last 24 hours. We're looking at Delhi, the national capital. 28,395 cases has been reported. Uttar Pradesh, 29,574 cases has been reported over the last 24 hours. Well, Maharashtra reports 62,097 cases. Karnataka reports 21,794 cases, while Kerala reports 19,577 cases until 9:35 a.m. this morning. Now, amid the rising COVID cases in Delhi, the Kejriwal government once again has sounded an alarm over oxygen supply. In a tweet, the Delhi Chief Minister has urged the centre to immediately provide more oxygen cylinders as hospitals are now reeling under pressure due to oxygen shortage. The crisis continues in the national capital, even as oxygen was supplied to various other hospitals. Delhi's GTB Hospital and Gangaram Hospital received the oxygen supply last night. LNJP Hospital also received the oxygen supply just a short while ago. But many other hospitals are currently expecting a supply shortage. In fact, they're going to be receiving the medical oxygen, but they're also claiming that over the next 4 hours, many of the hospitals will be running out of oxygen. Delhi is not the only city which has now sounded an alarm. Maharashtra, Rajasthan as well have asked the centre to provide oxygen supply to the states. Meanwhile, responding to the state government's repetitive demands there for scaling up oxygen supplies, Prime Minister Modi, while addressing the nation just yesterday, said that the centre is working to increase production and distribution of oxygen across the states seamlessly.
पिछले एक हफ्ते से बार-बार सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि दिल्ली का कोटा बढ़ा दीजिए, मरीज बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ रहे हैं। उस पर अभी कोई ठोस कदम नहीं उठाया गया और आज हमारे साथ स्थिति है कि दिल्ली के बड़े-बड़े अस्पतालों में 8 से 10 घंटे की 12 घंटे की ऑक्सीजन बची है और अगर अगले 10 घंटे में 12 घंटे में या 8 घंटे में उन अस्पतालों को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिली तो वो हॉस्पिटल्स मरीजों का इलाज कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि कोरोना में ऑक्सीजन लगाना सबसे बड़ा ट्रीटमेंट साबित हुआ है।
6 साल से क्या किया, 6 साल से सीएम है वो तो बड़ा हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में बात करते थे, वर्ल्ड क्लास हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाया दिल्ली में। 6 साल से उनसे भी तो कोई सवाल पूछिए। सीएम साहब तो आके सब कुछ कह के चले जाते हैं। ये तो बताइए कि 6 साल में कितने हॉस्पिटल बनाए दिल्ली में। पिछले साल से अभी तक कोई तैयारी नहीं रखी गई, सिर्फ सेंटर को ब्लेम कर दिया जी। 550 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए अपनी आड़ पे। 550 करोड़ अगर जनता के पास जनता की भलाई के लिए जाता ना तो शायद इतनी महामारी नहीं होती दिल्ली में जो भी हालत है।
इस बार कोरोना संकट में देश के अनेक हिस्से में ऑक्सीजन की डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ी है। इस विषय पर तेजी से और पूरी संवेदनशीलता के साथ काम किया जा रहा है। केंद्र सरकार, राज्य सरकारें, प्राइवेट सेक्टर सभी की पूरी कोशिश है कि हर जरूरतमंद को ऑक्सीजन मिले। ऑक्सीजन प्रोडक्शन और सप्लाई को बढ़ाने के लिए भी कई स्तरों पर उपाय किए जा रहे हैं। राज्यों में नए ऑक्सीजन प्लांट्स हो, 1 लाख नए सिलेंडर पहुंचाने हो, औद्योगिक इकाइयों में इस्तेमाल हो रही ऑक्सीजन का मेडिकल इस्तेमाल हो, ऑक्सीजन रेल हो, हर प्रयास किया जा रहा है।
Let me quickly cut across to Anisha Mathur, reporting live from Delhi. Anisha, we're looking at a serious shortage of oxygen supply. Many of the Delhi hospitals have, however, received a surplus of supplies now, but several other hospitals claim that in the next 4 hours there could be a shortage once again. The centre has now promised a seamless supply of oxygen to many of the states that are claiming to have shortage of supplies. If you can take us through the situation in Delhi as we stand today.
Well, Nabila, let me correct you there. Hospitals have not received a surplus of supply. They have received the emergency supply that they sorely needed. Remember, last night, many of the hospitals had flagged the information that if they do not get urgent oxygen supplies, they will not be able to sustain the patients even till this afternoon. Now, this morning, we've gotten information from several hospitals, including Gangaram Hospital, Tirath Ram Hospital, GTB Hospital, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, LNJP, and several others, that they have received certain emergency supplies. According to the press note issued by Gangaram Hospital, which is one of the biggest private hospitals in the city, they have enough supplies of oxygen to last till 9 a.m. tomorrow, and they still will need fresh supplies by tonight so that tomorrow patients can be treated. At St. Stephen's Hospital also, where we are right now, the PRO office is saying that they have adequate supplies for now, but they will possibly run out of oxygen if the supplies don't come till later in the evening. Many other hospitals, including the government hospitals, have reported the same thing, that yes, supplies have come in. Emergency supplies were rushed in yesterday and late last night. Early this morning, several hospitals have got supplies, but we are still not out of the woods because Delhi numbers of COVID patients are rising very rapidly. We are also short on ICU beds, even though the DRDO facility has opened up with about 50 ICU beds and 250 COVID beds. We are also getting more hospital beds opened up in various other central government facilities. But with the kind of COVID number explosion that we've seen in the city, the demand is so much that the supply is simply not keeping up.
Absolutely,
now, yesterday
Anisha.
we saw the central government, the Ministry of Health Joint Secretary saying that, who had appeared before the High Court, saying that efforts are being made. Court has also directed that industrial oxygen supply should be stopped and all of the oxygen supply should be turned towards the medical oxygen supply. So steps are now being taken by the centre for that.
Right.
Now,
that is the need of the hour. Thank you very much, Anisha, for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.